Hi guys, today we're going to be making Ooey Gooey cake batter cookies. Let's start by getting all the ingredients together. The first ingredient you're going to need is 8 ounces of cream cheese and half a cup of butter at room temperature. So the next ingredient you're going to need is 1 whole box of funfatty cake mix. So next you're going to need half a cup of sprinkles and 1 egg. Put your butter and your cream cheese in the mixer. Turn the mixture on until it is creamy. Next, add the egg. Mix it some more. Next, we are going to add the cake mix. And then I'm going to mix it some more. When a cookie dough looks like this, you can add your sprinkles. Mix it one last time after you add the sprinkles in. Next, put the cookie dough in the fridge for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While your oven is preheating, get a cookie sheet and a non-stick mat. Okay, now I am going to be scooping the cookie dough into little balls. Keep doing that until you have a bunch of cookies on your sheet. When you have your first batch, get an adult to help you put it in the oven for 10 minutes. After your cookies are done baking, set them on a rack to cool. If you make this recipe, comment down below and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe to see more videos.